Working with an RFX file from an analysis or research tool and need to access the results? I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll help you open and interpret these Analyst results data files. If the file is truly locked down, we need to bring out the big guns. I have a hidden file viewer that serves as our ultimate solution for RFX problems. See below for my top choice. RFX files are results, data files generated by analytical software applications containing processed analysis, output, data computations, and result sets from scientific, financial, or engineering analysis workflows. They store structured result data with metadata describing the analysis parameters and output format specifications. RFX Analyst results files use application-specific formatting that varies by the originating analysis software. They typically contain structured data tables, statistical summaries, computed values, and analysis metadata. The format may be binary, XML, or text-based depending on the specific analytical application that generated the output. System file recognition for RFX is optimized for Analyst by SciX. The file is locked by a proprietary indexing system Windows cannot read. Windows shows only a simplified view, so deeper interpretation must be done with suitable software. Begin the compatibility check by right-clicking your RFX file and selecting Open With. Use Analyst if it's an option. If not, test any other program in the list. Keep testing until the RFX file opens. If the RFX file is still refusing to open, it's expected. To truly fix this, let's review the why. The top technical reasons this specific RFX error occurs on your system. First, identifying the source application. Determine which analysis software created the RFX file by checking the associated application on the originating system or inspecting the file header. Open the file in a hex editor to check for identifying signatures or in a text editor to see if it contains readable XML or structured text data. Next, opening an analysis software. Launch the analysis application that created the RFX file and use its file open or import results function to load the data. The application displays computed results in its native format with proper formatting, visualization, and interpretation tools specific to the analysis type performed. Finally, extracting data. If the originating software is unavailable and the RFX file contains text or XML data, open it in a text editor or XML viewer to extract the numerical results manually. Copy data tables into Excel or a CSV file for further analysis. For binary RFX files, contact the software vendor for export utilities or format documentation. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. Instead of relying on a label that might be incorrect, you can use a tool that employs smart recognition to try and find a match based on the actual data inside. At this point, I recommend our one-click fix, the Universal Viewer. My top recommendation is FileMagick. It opens almost any format and is available right now at filemagick.com. Let me know in the comments if that file is open. Subscribing ensures you never miss another one-click solution.